Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. This is Bear, and in today's video we are starting our Azure Virtual Machines Beginner to Pro series. In this episode we will learn what is an Azure Virtual Machine, how to create a virtual machine step by step, virtual machine management options, how to choose the right VM size, best practices for beginners. So let's start. First we will discuss what is an Azure Virtual Machine. Azure Virtual Machine is just like a computer hosted in Microsoft's cloud. You can install Windows, Linux applications and run workloads exactly like you do on a normal desktop or server. The benefits of virtual machines are you don't buy hardware, you pay only for what you use. You can scale up and down time, easy backup and security. Before creating a VM, make sure you have Azure subscription, resource group, basic understanding of Azure portal. If you don't have these, no problem, I will explain during the demo. Now let's create our first Azure virtual machine. Go to Azure portal, search for virtual machines, click on virtual machines, click on create, select virtual machine. Select your subscription, choose your resource group, name the virtual machine. Choose the region closest to you. For availability option, keep default. Choose the image, you can choose according to your requirement. And choose the size from here. And for administrator account, choose username. Click on next. From here you can choose the OS disk type and leave the rest default. Click on next. For virtual network you can choose existing network or you can use auto created. For NIC network security group, select basic. Inbound ports, allow RDP for Windows and allow SSH for Linux. We open ports temporarily and later secure. Click on next. In management tab, keep default setting, boot diagnostics on, auto shutdown is optional. And click on review plus create. The validation is passed, click on create. Deployment takes few minutes. After deployment, go to virtual machines. Click on your virtual machine. Click on connect. For Windows, download RDP file. Now double click on it. Click on connect. Login with your username and password. Click OK. Click on yes. Congratulations, your first Azure VM is ready. Now let's explore important management options. From VM overview page, you can start the VM, stop the VM and restart the VM. You can also monitor your VM from this tab, monitoring. From here you can check CPU usage, RAM usage, disk performance and network traffic. You can also install antivirus, custom scripts, monitoring agents, extensions. Now click on backup plus disaster recovery. Click on backup. You can also enable Azure Backup to protect your VM from here. For update management, you can also use patch Windows or Linux automatically. You can reset password. Now let's discuss about VM sizing. Choosing the right size is very important. Click on size. B series is cheap and great for testing and small workloads like B1S, B2S. D series is used for general purpose, better CPU, ideal for production apps like D2S, V3. E series is used for memory optimized, best for databases like E4S, V4. F series is used for compute optimized high CPU workloads. CPU series is used for AI, ML, graphic rendering. Start with the small size, monitor performance, scale up if needed. Now let's discuss the best practices. Always stop VMs when not in use. Use tags for billing. Avoid opening RDP SSH to the internet. Take regular snapshots backup. Use auto shutdown for labs. So this was the beginner friendly step-by-step tutorial on Azure Virtual Machines, creation, management and sizing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Digital IT Lab. This is the Bear. See you in the next video.